Okay, today's adventure. This one's a little different. Got a motor. Needs a rebuild. But the long story short on this is my buddy's wife bought it for him for Valentine's Day. And he doesn't know he's getting it. So we are on our way up to deliver it and see if he's happy or see if he's pissed at us. But she got a P-pump. Everything, yep. There's the pump on her. It's been studded. So we got that. Got all the accessories on it. AC compressor, starter. Yeah, starter's on the other side. Alternator, everything. And I mean, it leaks oil. It's a core. It's got to be rebuilt. And he says it's got some blow by, but that's what he needs it for. You know, he's got to redo his. So I think we got a pretty good price on it. So let's, everything's strapped in, good and tight. It's not going anywhere. The magic words. Okay, all right, let's hit the road and probably put you on the back of the truck. I haven't figured out where I'm going to put you yet. But, all right, let's hit the road. Be back in about an hour. Right down the street from the house. Let's see. His wife has got everything in order. I guess the driveway is blocked. So here we go. Let's see what she says. Okay. She says go now. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Alex is here.
Hey guys.
I'm totally wrapped.
Hi.
That took a lot of time. Does he know what it is?
What he does now.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Well, thank you. I guess I got another little project to do.
Yeah.
I called him the other night. You were talking about some type of strap or ratchet strap to use instead of a winch. And something.
Well, when I was talking about my dad, remember with the, we were talking about the winch lines and going to.
Oh, yeah, well, this is that again. I was talking about the stretchy.
Yeah,
ropes.
yeah.
So I called him for that.
And we go from stretchy ropes
He
to
was
this.
like-
Well, this was the same. That morning I texted you
Yeah.
about it, and then nothing says love like a 12 valve.
So I told you it was coming from a pallet.
Yeah, it was right.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's a pallet, all right.
And he just said hadn't heard from Butler. I guess he's not showing today.
Yeah. That's what I'm like.
I was
Oh.
like, and we were sitting there eating lunch, and your name came up, and I was like, oh. And I was
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I hope you
it's-
didn't say that. I was like, shit, I hope you didn't see me do that. Because he was telling me he was leaving.
Yeah, so that way everything was clear to get in and.
Like I said, I don't even know what I bought, but
Is that where you want it? Yeah. I mean,
I just figured it's shorter.
hang on. All right. That way we're out of the fuel line.
It's shorter the better. Yeah. All the other stuff.
Now, what happens when this thing starts rolling? Say something about chopping these wheels?
We're off again. Hey,
We need to come this way. That's okay. But that's going to stop everything from getting crazy.
you have a problem with your weight on it. That wheel's off the concrete.
Oh, it is?
It ain't gonna. That's what I'm saying. You gotta get that wheel on the concrete somehow. Once you get weight on it, you ain't gonna get
Can you pull the outrigger in?
Right.
Because what we might have to do is leave it like this, bring the cart around, so we can just swing it this way.
Put that in.
Oh, we're parked on the driveway.
Well, you can back, I can back up. We can pick the trailer up and slide it.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, but I'm thinking, can we pull the engine hoists this way?
We can try, but
Because you're not going to be able to get the trailer. Oh, we can set the trailer over the legs of the engine hoist. We can pick the trailer up and straddle enough where we can just set it straight down.
we can run them.
So, hang on. No.
I better pull out. I'll back up and I'll pull up. Slide the trailer over.
We're gonna have to add oil to this too, or?
Probably.
Oh yeah, look at it, boom. See, right back where we started.
It's hard as a rock. No, these things are damn aircraft parts. They take like
700
50
pounds?
They'll take 50 psi.
We ain't heard the beat seat yet either,
I think they're wore out. I don't know if they're hot on it. They right once they start sealing.
Okay, alright.
Alright, now
Got that fixed. Alright, now.
that one still is pretty damn flat. Put more air in that thing.
Is it? Alright. Alright. Look out, Kylo. Alright. Try to get this aircraft cart backed into the garage. Oh, where's he going? That's where she's going in. It's gonna be a minute though. Oh, back up, you got, yeah. Got caught on them rocks. There you go. Let's see if I can steer this thing. Oh, that's heavy. All right. Good? Okay, let me get the door.
Okay. Hold the one closest to the compressor, I think. Okay.
Hang on. Okay. Okay. Right. Whew. Got a decent amount of tongue weight on it. All right, she's in.